Do you want to learn how to create logo animations with AI? In this video, I'll show you how to do it with this tool called motionvid. In the description, there's a link. You can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. And these are not AI specifically, like you make start frame, end frame, and then it makes animations. It's like you're using After Effects without learning it with the help of AI. On the bottom here, you'll see this prompt bar. You can change the aspect ratio, so from 16:9 to 9:16 or 1:1. Change the runtime for animation, so you can click here, make it 60 seconds. This is higher than if you go with the normal AI animations. Usually these type of AI animations would be like max 15 seconds or 10 seconds. But with this, it's a native animation. So it can support up to 60 seconds here. I need to type a prompt, but for me, because I'm doing an logo animation, so I'm going to press on here, images, and then I need to upload a logo here. So press choose file and upload the logo like this. With import design, you're basically importing those designs to be used for the animation, but with the reference image for AI, it's just going to use the image that you enter here as reference for the animation. It's not going to use that image inside your animation. So here I have this imported image. I'm going to click on done. Now here it does not show anything in the prompt bar. That's fine. On the right of this, you'll see this paint bucket type icon. Click on that. And you can change the animation style inside. You can go with walk style, retro, minimalism, and a lot more. So it's up to you, but I'm going to keep it at soft minimalistic. Now here in the prompt bar, I'm going to type in fast logo animation with smooth motion. Next to this paint bucket type icon, you'll see enhance prompt with AI. You can press on it and it's going to make your prompt better, like this, more advanced. Now I can press on this create new video. It's going to take 1 credit out of your total balance. It may take up to like 15 to 20 seconds in order to make that animation. So I've already done it. I'll go inside this projects here on the top right. And then this is the animation that it made. I can click on it. This is how it will look like when you generate an animation. You can change the duration if you want from here. Change the size, the aspect ratio. You can make it 9:16. And it's going to automatically adjust the animation based on that aspect ratio. Also, you can change the background, make it completely transparent, or change the background color like this. Of course, this is not possible with the AI video, but in this case, because this is an native animation, like it's like you're using After Effects. So in this, you can change the background and such. If you want to change something inside this video, you can just go down, click here on the prompt bar and type your prompt and then click on generate. Or you can also go inside this. Let's say I want to change this text. I can click on it, double click it, and then change it. So I can remove the text, something like this, innovate now. I've removed that solutions. Now, if I refresh this page, there you go. It's still with that changed text. It's going to save it. Now, let me show you the power of this tool. I used the walk style, used Cloud, added this 3D geographic heat map, and you can see this is the result. Looks really nice, right? Again, you can change things inside. Like I can click here, change the text. Or if I want to change the colors of this heat map, I can go here on the bottom and ask it to change from red to green that way. And if I change the aspect ratio, you can see every element gets readjusted. If I change that duration to 60 seconds, it's just going to animate it slowly compared to if I make it 15 seconds or 5 seconds. It's all done in real time. Now, this was for the infographics, this AI animated infographics. They have just released this new feature, motion graphics in seconds. You do need to put the start frame and the end frame in order to get an animation like this. But these look good. And you can expect artifacts inside it because this is using that same procedure as the AI tools, AI video tools. So let's go inside video on the top here. And on the bottom, you can switch between these video generation models. Click here. You can go with Google Veo, Minimax, Helio, or Kling. So here, this is Kling 2.6. This is unlimited. So you can keep generating new videos inside it. Depends on the amount of credits you got. So in order to do the logo animation with this tool, you need to press here to reference image and upload your image. the logo image. Once you've done that, you just need to describe what type of animation you need. For me, I just did a logo pop animation like this, and it works. You can just describe it here and choose the aspect ratio, because this is an AI video, so you would not be able to change the aspect ratio later, so you need to decide it right now. But if you go with this infographics mode, you will be able to do it in real time like I showed you before. You can change the duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depends on the AI model. Some has this option of going to 10 seconds, but mostly it's like 8 seconds or lower. Then once you're done, just press on this enhance button and then click on generate video. It's going to take 5 credits. And this is what it made. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create logo animations with AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more motion vid related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.